In this video, we're given two vectors, a and b, with a common starting point such that the magnitude of a is 3, the magnitude of b is 4, and the angle between a and b is 120 degrees. We are asked to calculate the magnitude of a plus b and the angle between a and a plus b. Let's first calculate the magnitude of a plus b. We know, using a law of cosines, that the magnitude of a plus b quantity squared is the magnitude of a squared plus magnitude of b squared plus 2 times the magnitude of a times magnitude of b times cosine theta. For us, magnitude of a is 3, so we have 3 squared, plus magnitude of b squared is 4 squared, plus 2 times magnitude of a, which is 3, magnitude of b, which is 4, and then cosine of the angle is given to us as 120 degrees. So we'll substitute that in and then calculate to get that the quantity of a plus b squared, the magnitude of a plus b squared, is equal to 13. So therefore, the magnitude of a plus b is the square root of 13. Now, in order to find the angle between a and a plus b, we must use the dot product formula that involves the cosine. So the cosine of that angle is going to be the dot product of the two vectors, so a dot a plus b, divided by the product of the magnitudes, so the magnitude of a times the magnitude of a plus b. Now, to compute a dot a plus b, we use the distributive property. So we'll distribute the a, so we have a dot a plus a dot b. Well, a dot a is just the magnitude of a squared. And then a dot b, we can use the alternative formula, which is the magnitude of a times magnitude of b times cosine the angle between them. So the magnitude of a we said is 3, and the magnitude of b is 4. Cosine of 120, that's negative 1/2. So then we'll plug this in and get 3 in the numerator. In the denominator, we have the magnitude of a, which is 3. Magnitude of a plus b, which we calculate to be root 13. The 3's are going to cancel. And we have cosine of the angle is 1 over root 13. So the angle has to be 73.74 degrees. And so that's our final answer.